want to start us off? Holy fucking shit! Stop laughing. If you-
Okay. Are you
Okay.
trying to interrupt me?
No, go.
Okay. How to make an extra $500 a week. Okay. So first, we're gonna give you a little bit of background, both of us. I have two businesses.
I also have two. I actually have three businesses. Listen, guys, what we're about to tell you, we've never told this to anybody else, and we should be charging a lot of money for this information, but we're not. We're giving it to you completely free. FREE, free.
Connect with people who are already successful in a business. Okay. Let me give you a little bit of an example. There's a lot of venues out there for my business, so it's gonna be much easier to explain. But you can think of it for any business. There's a lot of businesses out there that you can go and bring them clients, find them clients, right? Picture this. You want to help someone book this venue. You talk to the owner, you're like, look, I'm going to bring you clients. I'm looking to make some commission off of it. How much do you sell your venue for? They give you a price. Okay, no problem. How much commission could I make off of it? I might tell you $1,000. I might tell you $500. Okay, what if I upcharge on it? So maybe you could charge a little bit more and you can keep even more money. What I suggest is you go to a bunch of venues, you speak to the owners, you call them, you ask for a meeting, you set it up, get pictures, get the venue, and start posting it everywhere online. The Kijiji, you could post on fucking, what else could you post? You could run Facebook
Facebook.
ads, you could do a bunch of things, okay? And people will message you, hey, I'm interested, hey, I'm interested, hey, I'm interested. Now, if you have one, you might get some bookings that week. If you have fucking 20, you're telling me you can't get a booking? If you're advertising 20 different venues, you can set up the businesses and these people and they will pay you for your services, at least most of them. Make sure you're not dealing with anyone sketchy. What would you suggest if someone wants to make like an extra $500 a week?
I basically made this my main hustle. Okay, I put up ads everywhere. I put up ads on Facebook, Instagram, even on Kijiji, and I told them, "Hey guys, I have this amazing venue, and I'm gonna give you a great deal. Come in, book it with me right now." And I would get on average, 40 to 50 people a day interested. Hey, I wanna book this place. I wanna pay you this much money, right? It's actually very simple if you take our advice, okay? What I did from there was I got their number, okay? Then I called them and I talked to them a bit about what they wanted to do, what event exactly, right? And they told me, okay, it's for this many people, it's for this date. They'd usually ask me for a price. I'd say to them, okay, that's great. When can you come in? Let's set up a time for you to come by. I'll show you the place, right? And we're gonna get this going. I meet them in person, I show them the entire venue, okay? And I sit down with them, I go through all the details, right? We sign a contract, they pay a deposit, and boom, just like that. I made $500.
I'm gonna give you another perspective on how to make extra money. There's other ways like you can flip stuff, find stuff on Kijiji, buy it, then sell it for more. There's ways like that. I'm not really too interested in that. That's not my style. Some people are very good at it. But when it comes to helping other people, you can think of different ways of helping people, right? Let me give you an example. I have people who look for something like a DJ, right? I have a DJ, right? Let's say he cost me $200 for this DJ, okay? Other people know I'm in this business. They contact me, hey, I need a DJ. Could you find someone? And I'm like, yes, I can. Here, I'll sell you this DJ, $500. Whatever. Pay your DJ a little bit extra on top, 250. You keep the other 250. And people pay, right? Maybe
Jesus fucking Christ.
hang that up right now. If you could find a bunch of assets and valuable things around you and people to connect with, you can make a lot of money off of it, right? That's how you can make a bunch of money every week without technically working.
Play the middleman. Play the middleman, you can get paid a lot of money for doing almost no work. Find something that you're good at, find a skill. I used to have a lifeguarding service where I'd send out lifeguards to people's pools. I would charge somebody a flat rate, let's say $300, right? For a couple of hours. I'd send somebody out to them. I'd pay the actual guard maybe $100 and I make 200 in between. Boom, just like that. I made $200. And you guys could do it too. Don't overthink. Just do it. You're beautiful.
Key points I take from this video: connect with people that you can help them make more money because they're gonna pay you a portion of that money. Second key point I take from this video: if you are connected to some asset or some value you can provide for someone else, you can upsell it from there and make extra money for doing no work while the other person or the other company does the work. Last thing, which I learned from someone that I invest with: any transfer of money, service, or value, be in the middle of it. Because some of the money falls into your pocket, some of the money rubs off on you, some of the money you get to keep. Be in the middle of transactions if possible. And anytime money is moving from one person to another and you're somehow helping, you'll get a little bit of it too.
Do it now.
Do it now.
Don't overthink, or I'm gonna come for you. Do it now.